Alright, so we tried to do my little shifter thing, but that shit was way too hard to put in. We couldn't even take it out. So fuck that shit. Ricky pulled up. We're putting in his new intake.
The additional.
Aaron, how bad is it, Aaron?
Yeah. No, it's bad.
Yeah.
Like very bad. Like bad.
You guys finished when we pulled up.
Yeah, we literally couldn't even take it out. So here we are. Ricky pulled up with the intake. Come on, bro. We got the old one out.
But Aaron forgot to fucking record. Dumbass YouTuber.
I'm just here. But his hands are at least dirty. Yeah, I did some work, alright? I did some work.
New one going in. Looking nice.
Wait.
I think this is supposed to go to this, right?
Yeah, I think it's supposed to be a shorter one.
Oh, where does this piece go?
Oh, damn.
Fuck yeah. That's some bullshit. Right when I start recording.
What is? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
It's working.
On one side. On one side. It's working on this side.
Alright. Go. Work? Yeah. Oh my god. No way it went in all the way that way.
Look how Christian pull up.
Orange, man. You wanna try it? From the Asian supermarket. Hella juicy. So Christian.
Alright, so the intake is all in.
Oh yeah. Look. Peek. Peek that. Oh yeah. Alright, ready? Hear that? It's screaming.
Oh my god, bro, that's crazy.
Alright, put the bumper back on. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's drive.
Alright, Ethan, what happened here?
So we got it installed, as you guys can see.
Yeah, it's a whole different car. Wow.
So
well,
we were moving all the cars, and then he just decided to just take off. So we don't even know what it sounds like.
He just used you for your talent.
We don't even know what it sounds like.
And he just left all his shit right here.
He just used you for your Honda hands.
That's
They
crazy.
were on a joyride without us, bro.
That's crazy. I didn't even get to hear it, bro. What the heck?
Brother.
Or we
you
should go take my car and go meet him on the street.
And race?
Oh,
They're gonna get
or
down,
how about
bro.
we take the Z?
Wait, I hear him.
How about we take the Z
And race him.
and I drive it, so I could accidentally slide it and bap it.
Y'all hear that gay ass Honda? I knew it. Bro. Bruh,
What the fuck?
how you just gonna leave us?
What the fuck?
I was just going first gear. I was just seeing when my VTEC hit. It hits at 6. It doesn't even hit at 5.5.
Yeah, it's at 6. Hey, what you been, cut? Well, this is the best POV right here.
Cause you riding bitch.
Bitch, fuck you.
Remember when you made me ride bitch? Bitch?
Always.
Fuck you. That's why you're riding bitch. Record yourself riding
For
bitch.
YouTube. For YouTube.
Uh-huh.
Tell me the way.
Wait, my brother really
Show
parked
me
right
the
here?
way.
Ain't no
that
way
part-
parked.
he walked hella far. What
Ain't
the hell?
no
where we going?
way.
Right, left?
Left. When I said over there, I didn't mean over there.
He said down the street. He went 2 blocks
Hey, you need to
down.
clear that though.
Yeah, clear his check engine, bro.
Alright, do a 1, 2, go, and then you're good.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my god, you can hear it way more now,
That shit was nice. Man, you can hear that. It whistles too. You heard that?
Yeah, I heard that
It
shit.
fucking whistled. We are now in Christian's LS. Gonna hear it from side view. What you think, Christian? Oh wow.
bro. Sounds nice.
Wow, you look so majestic right here. Oh wow.
pops more now, huh?
That's what I thought.
Or has it always popped like that?
Apparently, it's always popped like that.
No, why did he go? No. Why did he go?
Oh my god. Ain't no way he
Why
fucked
did
up
he go?
twice.
Man, look at him right now. Look at him. What a
noob.
noob.
What a noob.
We're supposed to be taking videos of his car.
For real. Oh my god. Now we have to push the LS. Great.
Don't worry.
Oh my god.
Speed racer.
Oh my god. Oh
Hey.
my god.
Hey,
Oh my
Chad.
god.
Oh my god. We almost caught an accident.
Jollibee!
Okay, I'll step on it. Ready? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Too much
LS
torque,
400.
bruh.
Oh my god.
400 horsepower right here.
Oh
my
wow.
god.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Christian. Oh my
bro,
god.
it's too powerful, bro.
Perfect. Where we passed.
Alright, Papa, your turn.
Back to your house?
Yeah. Yes,
But-
sir. Yeah.
But, I saw like 2 cops,
Oh, wow.
and they stopped on Mac Road.
Oh, nice.
When I passed, they stopped and they turned into this little corner to sit there.